First of all, your son's been drinking. He's drunk. He's not.
They have no.
Hey! Hey! No, don't you hit my kid!
Tell her not to leave that, not to touch that officer.
Quit! Gilbert, stop! You better quit!
On August 27th, just past 2 a.m. in Clovis, New Mexico, officers conducted a traffic stop after spotting a suspected drunk driver. During the arrest, the suspect's mother arrived at the scene and immediately confronted the officers. According to the police report, she argued with them, yelling for them to let her son go and refusing to move back when ordered. Moments later, she began physically interfering with the arrest.
He's trying to say I can't have my phone.
Well, why don't you just go ahead and put your phone up for a sec, do what the officer tells you,
Yes, sir.
and then you can mess with your phone.
I
Okay?
got you,
Pretty
of course.
easy. I'm gonna light your way, okay? You don't
Okay.
need,
Of course.
you don't need the flashlight on your phone, okay? I'm gonna follow you the whole way, so you can imagine a line coming out of your left foot, right?
To this light, right?
It's not to anything. It's just
Where's the
out of
line
your
to?
left
I don't
foot.
know where I'm walking unless I know where I'm walking.
It's an imaginary straight line, okay?
Give me a proximity.
Okay. Go ahead and stay right there. I'll stand over here on this end and...
Stand where
Okay.
you want me to walk, and I'll walk there.
Okay, so what you'll do is you'll right heel, okay?
I know how to walk.
Right heel.
I know how to walk. I know how to walk.
Go ahead and do that right now. No, not the walk. Go put your right heel.
What do you want me to do? Do you want me to walk or do you want me to
I
what?
want you to follow my instructions and do what I'm doing.
Tell me what to do.
Put your right heel
Right here.
right there. Perfect. Now stay just like that. Okay?
I'm not going to stay
Your
like...
arms-
Look at me. Am I going to stay like this, officer?
And put your arms down by your side, and it'll take me only a minute to explain the rest of it. Okay?
I'll stay like this.
All right? So,
Officer, please tell me.
hey,
Because he's trying to have me
listen.
stand
I'm gonna
obnixily on
I'm
rexular.
going to continue the instructions, okay?
Please tell
when
me.
I tell you to begin,
Yes, sir.
you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down this imaginary line.
I can do that.
You're going to turn.
I don't have to turn like that. I'm not a cop.
Steps.
I only have to take 9 steps, and that's a fact, right?
Back to where you
Is that not a fact?
Do you understand?
But
Is that not a fact? Do I
listen,
not have to only take 9 steps?
listen to his instructions,
Is that a fact?
okay?
Shut up. Okay?
Shut up.
That's right. Shut
Is that
up.
what you're saying?
We're doing an investigation and you just keep talking. Okay?
Shut up. Is that what you said?
That's what I said. These
Hold on.
instructions are pretty simple.
Hold up, man. Because I don't deal with that bullshit.
Okay. That's all the more evidence that's going to be used against you.
I just like
Okay.
it, bro. Like I don't mean to
you
be that
have
type, but
you
like
have to keep your hands down by your side as we're doing this. So would you like me to explain?
you want
the
my hands
instructions?
by my side. Hold
That's
up.
fine. What you're doing is fine. Okay. I got no problem with that.
Please.
So you're going to
Do you
take.
do you see a problem with this?
You're going
No.
to take 9 heel-to-toe
And he told you there is none.
I don't have no hands, right?
Put your hands down to your
Look
sides.
at my hands.
I understand. Put your hands down to your sides, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just like this.
Put me down.
Just like what he's doing.
Put me down already. If you want to beat me to shit, like put me down already.
I'm not-
Who said that? That's not going to happen, okay?
Okay, so then what's the move?
Are you going to continue with the test?
No, nigga, my mom's right here.
Okay. Well, then you're under arrest. Okay. So
Okay.
turn around.
Just leave your hands behind your back, okay?
Your mom can pick your car up if she wants. I got no problem with that.
Why are you doing this?
How old are you?
I just turned 19, bro.
19? Okay.
I just turned 19.
All right. Hey,
Buena.
let's come over here and I'll tell you.
Okay.
Okay? First of all, your son's been drinking. He's drunk.
I have
He's
to be
not-
drinking.
he-
They have no f***ing experience that I've been drinking, bro. Look at them. I have my shoes off.
He's refusing to do any of our tests. For some reason, he
Tell
thinks
him
we're
to
going
do
to
a
beat
drug
him
test,
up. I don't know why.
Mom, tell him to
But
do a drug
everything's on
test.
recording. Both
Go
units,
ahead.
both units are recording. Both our body cams are on. That's all. I don't know where this is coming from. That you think that we're going to beat you up. Nobody's even yelled at you or anything. If you listen to him, he's the one with the cussing and everything else. But right now, he's being arrested for DWI. We're going to let you have the car. Okay? That way you don't have to pay a toll bill.
No, please don't do this, man. Please.
We already did. Okay?
Please.
We've already have it. Let me ask you this. Where do you live?
Where I live? Hey! Hey!
No,
No, don't you hit my kid!
Tell her not to leave that, not to touch that officer.
Quit! Gilbert, stop! You better quit! Hey!
No, you hit me! What the f*** is wrong with you?
You touched the other officer. You attacked him. You want to get charged with battery on a police officer?
Calm down, guys.
What the f***? Man! You're not throwing my shit on my purse! What's wrong with you? Look, a considerate officer. What the f*** is your problem, man?
You don't touch him.
I didn't hit him!
You jumped on his back.
No, I didn't!
Yes, you did.
Don't touch my kid! Don't touch my f***ing kid! You got f***ing problems!
Oh, okay, whatever.
Don't touch my kid!
Okay, whatever.
Wait.
Who?
You! Bitch! You!
Keep it up.
Nah. Hey, where's my stuff?
What stuff did you lose?
I don't know what else I don't know. Ask this punk ass fucking hitting a girl. Who hits a girl?
I didn't
What's
hit
your
you.
problem?
I didn't hit you.
What's your problem?
I didn't hit you.
Right?
Your problem is you're drunk.
You.
You
Who cares if I'm drunk? I don't give a f***. Don't
Put your shoes on.
do it. We can do it if you want. We can do whatever the f*** you want. But don't f***.
I didn't
What's
hit
your
you.
problem?
Listen.
You guys don't f*** my kid. What's your
We didn't hit your kid.
You did.
Hey.
You did hit my kid.
Ma'am,
You
listen
f***ing
to me.
right?
Listen to me.
You.
Don't square off on me.
What are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Come on. Come on, here. Come here. You hold my purse. I'll get it with him. I'll get it with him.
Are you
Let's
willing?
go. Let's go.
Ma'am,
What?
are you willing to go over here and talk to me?
I'll talk to you. F*** him. Fuck. No, that motherfucker hit my kid. And he threw me on the floor. I want to press
Hurry, 12.
charges. I'm doing
Just
it.
go ahead and send us
Fuck
one
you,
unit.
eh?
No, here's the deal. Your son is arrested.
We had another vehicle pull up
Oh,
on
wow.
us.
Okay, so what? That hit me. So I want to press charges on him. And I'm going to press every fucking charge I can do on him. Because he's I'll fucking fight you. I'll fucking fight you. Anyway. You.
If your son has been drinking black,
Okay, whatever.
Well, they encourage visitors if you needed one unit. They're not
Do
interested.
you see what he did to my kid?
I
Do you
didn't
see
stop
that I
you.
was gonna...
Okay, so we'll have a couple other people if we want to talk to them.
I don't talk to nobody.
I'm gonna.
If you have a sober person, you can take the car.
What, my car? Yeah.
Yeah, we're by Bill's Jumbo Burger.
Fine. You find that from her.
Now, I'm gonna tow the car. She's intoxicated. She can't have it.
Huh?
Well, there's a passenger.
Oh, is there a passenger?
Of course.
Okay.
So, the car is
Do you get a driver's license? You do? Is it valid? Have you been drinking? The guy you arrested for DWI started to fight him, and then she jumps on him, and I pulled her off, threw her on the ground. And,
Her?
Yeah. She came out of this car,
Okay.
and right now he's trying to calm her down. I'm telling him, so it's like we should arrest her for battery on a P-off. He jumped on your back. Okay, you got a driver's license? Can I see it, please?
Yeah, I've been out.
Okay, we're probably going to release the card to you. Okay.
I've been drinking.
Oh, you've been drinking too?
If I blew a limit,
How old are you?
I'm 20.
You're 20? Okay.
So,
Okay.
I still got to
How,
go to my
how much have you had to drink?
3 or 4.
Okay, just hang tight, okay? Hey, Goodwin.
I'm not disagreeing with what he did, okay?
Yeah, I know. I know.
What
you
he did
see
was fine.
everything. You see
Okay.
everything.
Hey,
He's
good.
an idiot in there. No.
Listen, whether you truly wanted to attack me or not, if you're coming at me, he's gonna defend that. Okay.
Hey, Goodwin. The passenger's
No,
been
you
drinking.
were wrong.
Ma'am,
You were
hey,
wrong.
come over here and speak with me. Let's go speak over here.
Your,
let me-
your camera's off.
Hang on right here for me. Okay.
Passenger said he's had 3-4 beers.
Yeah.
He's 20.
We can have him get a ride.
Okay. She's intoxicated. She ain't having the car.
Yeah.
That's what I was fixing to ask her because I thought I didn't know somebody else drove her. I thought she drove here because I was going to do field tests on her.
No. You saw them pull up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so driver of this vehicle is driving without any lights, cuts me off. I pull him over. I smell alcohol. He's got stories that are just weird. He's telling me it's Friday. He handed me his debit card instead of his credit card. I mean, instead of his license. A couple other like weird things that he's doing. Getting out, do escalations.
What's the problem, officer? Huh?
Nothing right now, as long as you listen to what I'm telling y'all to do.
Are they family?
Yeah,
or?
they're family.
Okay. Let me.
That's nephew.
Are you guys sober?
Yeah.
Okay. We just need somebody to drive up the car off. The passenger's been drinking also, so we can't release the car to him at this time. Okay.
Yeah, that's what we
But if one of you guys can drive the car instead of towing it and her paying $300 something,
Okay.
we'll let you guys have the car.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying to figure out right now.
with the driver?
The driver's on his way to jail for DWI,
Okay.
and we're still debating on her.
Okay.
I guess that's mom.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, she's my sister. She's my sister.
Okay, she jumped on the other officer's back, and I pulled her off and threw her on the ground. And so we're letting them talk over there.
Okay.
Okay, but it's like I told her. There's four cameras on it, so
Oh, yeah.
we know what happened.
Yeah. No, that's what we're not trying to get involved in. If we can drive a car home, we will. If not, then
Just do me a favor, stay on this side.
Oh, yeah.
And then when we're ready, we'll call you over. Okay.
You got it, brother.
All right, appreciate
Thank
it,
you,
man.
sir.
Thank you, guys.
I just didn't want them all coming over here.
No, I told them to stay over there.
Yeah.
They're all sober.
Yeah, I mean, I just control the area, you know what I mean? Let y'all do what y'all need to do.
Well, he started walking them to the car, so he jumps up and kicks the car, and then she jumps on him on his back. So I grab her and just pulled her off of his back and threw her on the ground.
So the female jumped on your deputy's back?
On the sergeant's back, I said, we just need to pop her for battery and appeal.
Yeah.
I don't think he
Was
wants
she
to do
even
that.
in the car?
No, she was in this car.
Oh, so she just drove
This is mom.
Yeah, I got that.
He called mom during the traffic stop.
And she shows up and jumps on his
Yeah,
back?
and she shows up intoxicated.
I would.
Oh, I would too. I mean, it's all on camera anyway. Her jumping on his back.
Well, there's no need for that.
But she claims I'm the one that jumped her son, was beating him up. So I was nowhere near your son. So
Yeah, just one more thing.
I'm gonna piss myself.
What's up?
do you think we should pop her for battery on you? Since I put hands on her too?
Aggravated assault.
Aggravated assault.
Yeah, we can do that.
Please, bro,
I didn't
please.
see what she had done because
Well, she was on your back.
Yeah, I didn't. feel
Please,
that.
bro, please.
Yeah, we can get her. Battery.
Blood, bro,
Yeah,
get
if she
it.
was on my back. Then
Yeah.
I was like 100% focused on her.
I know if I go over there, it's going to turn into a fight. So,
Yes, I'm putting charges against her.
I know if I'll walk over there and do it, the fight's going to be on. He said go ahead and pop her for battery and appeal.
Okay.
If you want, just cuff her,
Okay.
and I'll deal with the screaming and yelling and everything else. Let me tell these guys over here what's going on. Okay. Are you son? Are you her son?
No, it's a nephew.
Okay. She's fixing to go to jail for jumping on the other officer's back.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm letting them handle it because I know right now she is ticked at me.
Yeah, she's mad.
So I don't know who the passenger is, but can somebody give him a ride home?
Yeah.
I couldn't even tell you where he lives.
Yeah, we have no idea.
Young boy or what?
Yeah, he's 20.
20.
He said he has had
Did you
4
get a name
beers.
or
No, I didn't.
Okay.
We were gonna release the car to him, so he told me he had 4 beers.
Okay.
So, all right.
Alright. So we'll go ahead and get the car and get her on.
I'm gonna probably have to get the keys from her though too, bro.
Yeah, the keys.
She didn't drive up in that one, did she?
I
did.
though.
Yeah, I was gonna say because
It's her rental though.
But she has,
Yeah, it's her car.
oh, she has the keys.
Probably like a push button. Yeah, it's a push button.
Okay.
Let me go.
If I can just get her bag.
Passengers.
Yeah, we'll wait till they're done.
One second, okay? Because there's too many officers over there, and we're all trying to watch each other's backs.
No, yeah, you're good.
Their concern is that you guys pulled
No.
up. So,
We're
okay.
trying to make sure everything's okay.
No, I
We're gonna wait
understand.
till you tell us.
Okay. You're the nephew?
Yeah.
Why don't you come with me, and we'll get the keys for that truck, so that way you can go. What's your aunt's name?
In the end, the situation led to both the suspected drunk driver and his mother being arrested. What began as a routine DUI stop quickly escalated when she chose to interfere with the officers instead of letting the process play out. The mother now faces charges for obstructing and resisting law enforcement, while the driver is facing DUI-related charges. Both will appear in court to answer to those accusations. This incident is a reminder that stepping into an arrest only turns one case into two. Let the legal process handle it, because emotional reactions in the moment can have lasting consequences.